Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm making 3 egg dish. They are easy but delicious. If you want to see how I make them, just keep on watching. First step is to separate our eggs, after which I add a pinch of salt, beat until I get a stiff peak. Then I'm going to dice some ham slices, bell pepper, and I'm going to combine that along with grated Parmesan cheese to our egg white mixture. Just watch the steps, guys. And if you're here with me this far and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please consider subscribing and join the family. It will mean a lot to me. Thanks as always. Moving along, I already preheated my oven and I'm going to grease my tray, after which I'll divide my egg white mixture in 2 sections with a hole in the middle like a nest, and I'm going to place those in my preheated oven for 3 minutes. Carefully remove, add our egg yolks in the middle and place them back for another 3 minutes, then we can enjoy. Here are our cloud eggs fresh from the oven, and I'm going to garnish it with some jalapeno slices and chili pepper and some green scallion, just to give it a touch of green. And that's egg number 1. First step of making our deviled eggs, I'm going to put my eggs to boil, and here I have 2 slabs of bacon. I'm going to cut in fine strips and allow to render. Okay guys, here are my eggs. After boiling, I place them in cold water. Now I'm going to strip, cut in half, remove the yolks. To the yolks, I'm going to add garlic powder, black pepper, salt, mustard, mayo, and mix to combine till I get like a paste-like texture. You can spoon it back in the egg white, or you can use a piping bag. And then you can add your garnish as desired. Very simple, guys. Here are my eggs after filling. Here I'm adding some smoked paprika. I'm going to add some pepper slices, and that's number one. This one is without bacon. The other one simple, you just add the bacon to the added paprika and pepper slices. They are perfect for a brunch idea, guys. All done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye bye.